My framing assumes that quantum coherence must be universally preserved and that entanglement generation implies a quantum mediator. But this presupposes strict linear unitarity at all scales. There exist logically consistent models in which gravity remains fundamentally classical, while quantum mechanics is only approximately unitary. In such models, macroscopic superpositions undergo objective collapse, possibly gravity-induced, e.g., mass-dependent collapse rates. In that case, gravitationally mediated entanglement may fail not because gravity is classical in a trivial sense, but because large mass coherence is fundamentally unstable. The absence of entanglement would then falsify universal unitarity, not classical gravity. Therefore, your experiment does not isolate quantum gravity versus classical gravity, but rather universal unitarity versus mass-dependent collapse. Your invariant framing collapses two distinct assumptions into one.